How did you make those scale prints on the mermaid? If you use Clip Studio Paint, there is this little section right here, and it's called material, texture material. So what you want to do is you want to go to monochromatic, and once you go to monochromatic, you want to go down to texture, and once you go there, you can look on this side, and there's this thing called mermaid, which is this texture right here. So it gives you that like scale look, but it's a texture to help with like making it look like scales. And then if you like turn it or like do a free transform or a mesh, it actually looks better with the look. So what I do is I'll turn it to the side, I won't keep it straight on, and then I'll just add some of the, like, I'll just come in here and just add some of things like this. And what it does is it gives you that like idea of like, oh, she has scales, you know. Sorry y'all. Yeah. That's why I like Clip Studio, because it gives you a lot of texture so that you don't have to like, you know, think about it too much. All you gotta do is just really draw. But it's just like if you were doing screen tones, because this is honestly a screen tone that's on top of her. Thank you. Thank you. I see. Oh, I see. Yeah, it's a really good program. I really like them. I like this program. This is why I recommend this program a lot. Like, I know a lot of people like Photoshop and stuff like that, and that's fine. As a graphic designer, I will never use Photoshop for like art and stuff like that, but when they always like ask me for recommendations, I always recommend Clip Studio, because it has a whole bunch of things that you can use. Yo, thank you. I'm about to say right now, we ain't playing, Kim, we not playing.